In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when a game refuses to launch here on Steam. Obviously, sometimes it just won't perform the way you need it to, and trust me, we're going to get it working again. First things first, before we do dive in this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But obviously open up Steam, and from here go ahead and navigate into your Steam library up in the top left corner. Essentially find whatever game is acting up. In this case, we're going to pretend it is, I guess, Call of Duty Black Ops 3. And what you're going to want to do is actually right click on it and find the little properties button here and select it. From here, go into the installed files section on the left sidebar and then hit verify integrity of the game files. This essentially checks for any missing or broken files. It's kind of like giving your game a little tune-up before it can get back in action. Once that is done, either go ahead and restart Steam on your PC. If it's still not working, fully restart your PC and then launch that game again. And if it's still not getting going, don't worry, we got another trick. Go ahead and open up File Explorer for this, and what you're going to want to do is go into your C drive, which is going to be that Windows drive. From here, find Program Files x86 and scroll down until you see the Steam folder. Select it, and once you're inside, look for the app cache folder just like so, and delete everything within here. It's just buildup. It's kind of like cleaning out old junk. After that, restart Steam, try launching again, and if your game is still being stubborn, uninstall it completely and reinstall it fresh. Sometimes you just need to start over to get things running smooth again, but that is it. Your game should now be performing pretty nicely. If this guide did help you get things up and running, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.